When the alarm goes off, I wake up. I get up. Then I take a shower. Or I have a bath. I shave. I wash my hair. I dry my hair. I iron a shirt. I get dressed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I brush my hair. After that, I make the bed. I have breakfast. I do the housework. Then I leave the house. I go to work. I go to school. I catch the train. And sometimes I catch the bus. Or I drive. I arrive late. I start work. I have a break. I have lunch. I finish work. I leave work. I work overtime. I go home. I cook dinner. I have dinner. Then I clear the table. I listen to the radio. I watch TV. Then I check my emails. Sometimes I drink tea or coffee. I do the dishes. I walk the dog after that. I read a newspaper. I go out with friends. We go to a cafe. I call a friend or family. I do homework. When I finish homework, I put the children to bed. I take out the trash or rubbish. I feed the dog and the cat. Then I go to bed. This is my daily routine. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.